Hi. Here's how to analyze your portfolio. First, launch your iSpeed app. Log in. Once you're logged in, tap on the menu button and search for your portfolio. Switch to My US Portfolio. At first glance, you can see the unrealized profit or loss. This tells you how much the shares are worth at the current market value based on how much you bought it at. At the lower part of the screen, you will see market value of the share denoted in bold MYR and USD. You can also see how many units of each brand you own. In this case, I own 1 unit Ford share. Tapping on this button here will display the unrealized profit and loss, which is similar to the one mentioned. And another item that is displayed here is the market price in terms of USD of your Ford share. And there you have it. Your portfolio details, easily accessible via your iSpeed app.